Hey Beans! So, I am wearing my really stupid Star Wars punk jacket what I made. You seeing this? Are you seeing this ridiculousness? I've got so much junk on this jacket. So I thought I'd do a quick video about this silly jacket what I am wearing on my body. Because, yeah, I made this a couple of years ago. I started it after Force Awakens came out. And basically I had the idea that I thought it would be really funny to have a punk jacket that said Rebel Scum on the back. And then all of this happened, so I'm going to take this off and show you. So this is the front of the jacket. We have, these are my favourite studs, this sort of punk 77 styly ones. So I put those on the lapels, which I also painted red, although they're scuffing a little bit. We have some more studs and a Star Destroyer on that side of the collar, and Poe Dameron's X-Wing there. I think that's Luke's saber. One of them is Luke and one of them is Anakin's. I can't remember which one's which offhand. Have the little Wampa, him and little Rey on her speeder, and this little TIE fighter here. They're all from blind bags that I bought for like £1. The badges were largely in packs that came out around the same time, apart from that one which somebody gave me, which says watch out for meteors, and it has a dinosaur on it, and I love it. And then hanging off here you have this Imperial Guard chappy. I don't know what these things were supposed to be. I think they're some sort of game. They're so weird. They're so ridiculously, hideously weird that I had to get one and drill a hole in it. Likewise, I drilled a hole through the Wampa. And then we have, this was from a Kinder Egg. This is so hideous. This is Vader's head on a, is that a TIE bomber? I'm not sure. It's an elongated TIE of some description. I can't remember whether it's a TIE bomber or what, but it's just so ugly and I love it. And then a little Vader with his very wonky, very chipped lightsaber. And then I paint, oh yeah, I got a Rebellion logo, stroke Naboo thingy. That was a patch I got on eBay. And then I have like, I think that's one of the symbols from Naboo, and then Not Your Princess, which I just decided to write on it. Attached here is a lightsaber which glows. I think this is Anakin's one, I can't remember. And then obviously I had to have, I got a bad feeling about this, written on it somewhere. And I have loads of these very spiky spikes. Which also go on the shoulders, and then I have these massive spikes of various types, and these cute little claw ones which I put on both arms. I really like how these look. I'm sorry about the mess in the background. So yeah, what else have I? Never Tell Me the Odds are on there. I can't remember doing that. Stop Taking My Hand, which it's just Force Awakens. I liked that line. And these I put in, kind of inspired by Leia's costume when she's posing as a bounty hunter in Return of the Jedi. And then on the shoulder, on the arm of this side, Boba Fett's Mandalorian symbol that he has on his armor, and then Fearless and Inventive written underneath it, which is how Vader describes Boba Fett. And then on the back, this thing also weighs a ton, I'd like to point out. On the back, obviously, Rebel Scum, and big old Rebel symbol, which I need to repaint. It's literally just acrylic paint. And yeah, it's a little bit chipped, but I've been wearing this on and off for a couple of years. So got a cute little X-Wing patch there. I got that on eBay. Another one of them That's the Jedi symbol. I really liked the idea of not having the words Star Wars or Jedi anywhere. I don't know why. I thought that would be fun. And then another one, Rogue Squadron. And then some more words. Stay on target. And then down the bottom here, I wrote No Gods, No Blasters, which is a riff on No Gods, No Masters, which is, you know, standard punk nonsense. And then right down the bottom, Empire Punks, fuck off. Although fuck is transliterated into, I never remember what it's called, the language that they use in Star Wars on the displays and things. So yeah, this is my ridiculous Star Wars jacket, which I enjoy a lot. I want to put some more stuff on there. I want to find some more nonsense from the new stuff. I haven't put any Rogue One related stuff on here yet either. But yeah, and I really do need to repaint that. Look at that. Yeah, it was acrylic paint, a sewing needle, a lot of time. The jacket itself cost about £5 because I got it in a charity shop in the sale. And then the patches, all of these patches were in a set that I got from eBay for about a couple of quid. The spikes and studs probably cost the most. I probably spent about £15 on those. And then the various spaceships and lightsabers and things were, you know, a couple of quid. Because there were a lot of those in the shops. And it is a good excuse for me to buy, spend money on toys. Because I always want an excuse to spend money on toys. Anyway. Ooh, so yeah, that's my Star Wars jacket. I'm sad. I do have like a proper punk jacket that I have like bands and shit on them, but I just thought it would be really funny, and then I ended up really liking the jacket. So anyway, see you soon. Bye bye.